guys, so we're in the car.
I'm bored.
We're in the car right now because we're going to a beach.
Daniel,
It's like the nicest beach.
Daniel.
Yes, we're on this because they only can let so many people in because it's so busy. So like only a couple people can go in at a time.
And it's not us.
And it says parking area full. And someone just left and she won't let another person in.
Because he's looking at her phone.
So we're walking to the new beach. It's super far away, 1.5 miles away. There's a big cactus.
Can I put this in your bag?
No.
Please.
No. It's just this sand trail, like super far away from where we're going. Because where we're going is, there's nobody there. Well, there shouldn't be anybody there. And there's a lot of big shells and cool shells. So we're gonna go there. Shells. Those are my left shells. This is gonna take a while to get there, so we'll just update you when we're there. So yeah.
I'm Daniel, and I'm about a boogie board.
What's up, guys? So we're at the beach right now. I found all these shells already. They're just everywhere. And our mom just found a crab, a baby crab. So I'm gonna go over there. Oh, it's so windy! We gotta cross the river. Well, this ocean stream. There's a baby crab. I don't want to touch it.
It's too tiny to pinch it.
Look at this shell. I found that one.
Yeah, the big picture and a tiny picture. Big one and a
Go.
tiny picture. Let him go right there.
There he is. He's right there.
Go that way. Run away.
Okay, see you in a little bit. We have low batteries though. Look at all those birds. Watch them, they're gonna land right here. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, they will. Here's all the ones I found. Pretty big. Yeah. Look at them all fight over it. Oh, he got in there!
They get close.
Look how close they are to us.
You want one?
Look how close they are.
You want one?
Here, let me see it.
caught it in
Let me
the
see it. Ready for this? Look at them all fight over them. Look how close these are. Let's see if they come close to us. Stop! We're close up. Going back to, we're on the beach right now. Maddie's looking for shark teeth. Me and Daniel are doing this new thing where we put the board on the kind of in the water and we run off the beach and surf off. Here's some shark teeth Maddie found.